Hello everyone, how are you guys? Today I have something special. Well, it's not special, but it's special for some of you guys. So, yep. So today I'm gonna show you how to make injera on different stuff than the original injera maker. Real. So we have the original injera maker, that's real. And today we're gonna make injera on the pan. Non-stick. So we're gonna use this to make injera. So yeah. Whoa, that's heavy. It's really heavy. So we're gonna use it and see how it goes. Alright, let's turn it on and then we're gonna turn it on both of them so we can see what's the difference, okay? We're gonna see it. Well, the size is of course different, but other than that, we're gonna find out. So let's go. Okay, so let's plug in. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on this 420. So let's see. Okay, this is 420 and we're gonna turn it on this. Okay, let's move a little bit this one out of the way. And this one, we're gonna turn on medium. Alright, let them warm it up. Let's do their thing, so I'm gonna get ready. Okay, so I can feel this is warm enough. This is almost there. So come close so you guys can see what exactly looks like the injera. So come on. So let's try. Just gonna put a little bit pull in the middle and move around. So this is the first one, so we're not gonna put too much and see. Let's move it on to the other one too. Or let's finish this one first. You think it's ready? I guess. How long is it supposed to be there? So, I'm not gonna lie. This from middle, it didn't work for me. Okay, how are we supposed to take it out? Alright, wait. Alright. We put too much again. Let's do the other one. Okay, let's finish this one and then go back to that. Stick it up. Okay, results good. Let's practice on the other one. Okay, so we tried two different way. I don't like it, so let's try the original way. You know, the way how I make on the other injera maker. So let's see. Okay. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Alright, injera. We see you. Let's cover it. So the problem we have is the way how to take it out. So let's figure out how to take it out. I really don't know. Let's see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Wait a minute. Oh, okay. So I figured out how to take it out. Easy. Ta-da! Let's make another one. Let's make another one. Let's wipe. Let's clean this. Let's remove that. Okay. Let's try another one. If you're single, you don't want to spend $120, $140 on the original one, you got it. Now you know where to make injera. You don't have to spend $1,000 if you're single. But if you have family, yeah, you do have to. You really need it because this is really tiny injera. So let's cover it. Let's bring it in. So, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? This is okay. The back a little bit hot, but we can adjust that easy. This is the second one, and the first one. What is the first one? The first one is here. I didn't like it, but we're gonna keep the last one. Okay, let's keep doing it. Today I'm gonna feed my kid the tiny injera. This is called mini injera. Okay, let's keep going. All right, you know how to take it out. This time you're not working. Okay. Well, let's see. Okay, don't break anything. Come on, stop doing that. Okay. Another one. That's the last one. Don't tell anyone. Okay. That was the last injera for today. This is amazing. So, what do you guys think? My single friend, do you want to spend $100 on that one, the original one, or you can just emergency injera on the mini? That's called emergency, okay? That's emergency mini. What are you gonna call? You don't wanna call pan. Urgh. You don't want to call that, but you can name it. That's emergency injera maker. I don't know how long it's been, so just gonna take it out. Come on, out. Okay, back. Yep, Elsa, that's not happening. Don't destroy your injera. Yes. Every time I take it out, that's gonna happen. But, right, let's turn it off and talk about it. Thank you, mini injera maker. You stay there. So, what do you guys think? Let's show both of them. Let's bring it in, both injera. So the size, when you compare the size, double size. But I don't know how to hold it because it's hot. What do you guys think? My mini injera versus regular size injera. Let me know. Comment below. Will you buy this injera or just go for this one? Or can you make this injera at home if you don't have the original maker? Let me know. Enjoy your